Hello, welcome on my YouTube channel, Salma Parenting Coach, where I offer you some tips and advice for everyday family life. Today will be muffin recipe, protein muffin. This is the best recipe I just have and try it before. I love to get that ready in advance. So what I do, I use some jar and I put all the dry ingredient inside. So I will do a four batch. So one of them with you guys, but I will get everything in the jar. So after it's quicker to get my muffin. So it's most of the time gluten-free recipe. You have the option to use regular flour and you can create something so different because I use chocolate protein and vanilla protein. But yesterday I did some carrots muffin. So I had cinnamon inside. I had some carrots. So you can add anything you want with the flavor with berries, fruits frozen inside. I'm sure it's gonna be so good and tasty. So we start with the flour. So it's 1 cup of flour. So here I will use gluten-free flour, and I can show you after which one I used. So one in each jar. This is the one I use. I will try it for the first time with almond flour. I never used the almond flour for this recipe, but I will try it. And if it's working with almond flour, of course, I will use it more often. So, this is number 3. And this is for today. So this is 1 cup of flour. The second it's gonna be oat. And again, I love the oat without the gluten from Costco. So I have a big amount of oat here. That's the first for today. And I had it in my jar. One. It's easy with the paper to make sure to not do a lot of mess. 2 and 3. So after the oat, I will use the protein. Oops. So it's gonna be half a cup. So I will use the chocolate for today. And I will get a spare of chocolate muffin for another week. And the 2 other jar will be the vanilla. So I used a vegan protein from Arbonne. This fit, it's 1 gram of sugar only. And it gives you 20 gram of protein in 2 scoops. So I think in my I probably have 30 gram of protein in those in total. So that's for the protein. For the chocolate flavor, I will add a little bit of cacao. Cocoa in English, cacao in French. So just a little bit here in the jar, and sugar, coconut sugar. So instead of using the white sugar, I switch, so it's a 1/3 cup. So 1/3 cup in this one. Here we go. After it's the baking soda, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. all the measure will be in the bio of the. So I need to start my oven 350, bake for 35 minutes. This one is done. The last one here. It's almost complete, my jar. The last thing I need to do, it's 1 teaspoon of baking soda in each of them. And 1 teaspoon of, that was baking powder, that's baking soda. So I will close it, and that will be ready for my other week muffin recipe, just like that. And it's fun because I keep it on my counter. So sometimes my kid will see it and say, "Mommy, we want some muffin." Okay, guys, let's do some muffin, and everything is ready already there. So what we add to this, it's gonna be 3 smashed banana. I previously did the smashing before. So I got here right away. So 3 smashed banana, 2 eggs, and a 1/4 cup of avocado oil. So that's the avocado oil I use. And I just add it in. So the only thing I need to put will be the milk. And I use the plant milk here. And it's 1 cup of any kind of milk you want. You can use cow's milk if you like to, or oat milk, cashew milk. You have so many choices. And that's it. After, it's just make all those ingredients all together. You have the possibility to add some chocolate chip if you want. It's really up to you. Peanut butter, I'm sure it will be good. So I will mix everything and put it in my cup here, and I come back to you. Welcome back. So I just finished to put everything in, and it's supposed to do like 12, but each time I have a lot more, so to not waiting, I have small cups, so now I have 5 more, so it's like a 17 beautiful muffin. So I will put that in the oven for 35 minutes. This is the flour, almond flour, so I will put a note if I need to put it another 5 or 10 or 15 minutes baking more than the regular gluten-free flour. So if you like that video and recipe, like it and follow me for my next one. Have a good day.